guys, this is Entity 303. This is a new portal traveling in the other portal. Okay, let's start. Ooh, I'm traveling in the other portal. Let's do this. Ching. Ah? What? Let's do this. Yay. Okay. Things all you need is stone, blue concrete, torch, block of your choice, stone pressure plate, command block. Let's start in here. Dig 1, 2, 3, 4. Sea lanterns. 1, 2, and 4. 3 in here. 3 stone in here. 1, 2, 3. 1 sea lantern. 1, 2, 3. Sea lantern. And 2 in here. Imagine you're making another portal. And a torch in here. Torch on the top. No, sorry guys. I break the stone. And in here, you need some stone. Stone and pressure plate. And 2 blocks and put a command block. And make the other portal traveling in the other world. Oh no. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Sea lantern. And blue concrete. 2 blocks. Command block. And at the back is stone and pressure plate. Some stone at the top. No, sorry guys, torch. Torch of your choice or redstone torch. And you need to type TP add P. And type in the next command block TP add P to prepare. And back in your donate portal. You need to type in slash TP add P is symbol following me. Follow me. Its mine is 6648. Copy the number of your TP. It's mine. Make sure you're the correct. And you need to sleep and place stone pressure. At the back, you need to type slash TP this following symbol. It's like 122. And the next type. 1, 1. No. My number. Don't copy my number. And make sure It's correct. And you need to sneak again. And place stone pressure. Okay. It's working. Are you ready? After 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it's working. You need to click hide in the condition. Let's go. And okay guys. Uh, thanks for watching and please subscribe and like or share. And click the bell after you subscribe to see the other video in Minecraft. Minecraft videos. Bye. 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 In is no. I'm entity 303.